2 days to safety. This is not a good look for me. My truck's dead. How am I going to get the coupe to its safety test? Oh boy. I'll update you soon. Say hello to YouTube. So the tow truck companies don't take passengers because of COVID. So I guess I'm walking home. Well, I made it home. Truck got home before me. Okay, things just get interesting then. So before I cancel everything, I'm going to see if I can fix the truck today. So wish me luck. Nope. Hi there, how you doing? It could be better, to be honest. No, well, I've got a car booked in with you on Wednesday for a safety test. Anyway, I thought I'd let you know. Yeah. So. Oh yeah, sorry, I should have said. Yeah. No, I didn't actually, but you probably recognise my accent. Right. Well, sorry about that, and I will contact you as soon as I know, as soon as I get this truck fixed. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye. Gutted. So, we're supposed to be spending the last 2 days to get Bugsy ready for his safety, but it's not going to happen because I'm going to have to spend at least the next day or two getting my truck fixed, which means there's no time to finish. So I had to cancel, well, I say cancel, I had to postpone the test and cancel the trailer for now. Ah well, right, it's not all bad because I do have a couple of very nice parts on their way to me, which they weren't necessarily required for the test, but they will vastly improve the outcome, hopefully. Oh well, I'm sorry I failed my deadline again. Let's agree to never add deadlines to this project because deadlines are a curse. Okay, I'll wait for this rain to go off and see if I can fix the truck, but I'm not going to kill myself over it. I'll just see what happens. Thanks for watching today. Very disappointing, but life goes on. Take care, everyone. See you in the next one.